Hey everyone, as we approach the end of the year, it's time to get your finances in order for the new year and prepare for taxes. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, now's the perfect time to ensure your bookkeeping is up to date. I've put together an essential end of year checklist to help you close out 2024 on a solid financial note. Plus, stick around until the end of the video for a bonus tip. Here are my 6 essential to-dos to prep for 2025. My name is Ben, and if this is your first time here, thank you for watching. I'm a bookkeeper here at Midley, where we handle bookkeeping, taxes, and payroll for our clients. Our goal is to minimize your tax liabilities and maximize your success. So, if you have any questions or need help with anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Number 1, review your financial statements. First things first, you need to review your profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Go over them to make sure everything is accurate. Look for any discrepancies or missing entries, especially when it comes to income and expenses. Now, if you're using accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, this should be pretty straightforward, but double check for any transactions that were missed. Number 2, you want to reconcile your bank accounts and credit cards. So you want to make sure your bank and credit card accounts are reconciled. So you want to go through each transaction and match them with your records. This is essential for catching errors and making sure your books are balanced before you move on to the next year. If you want to learn more about reconciling your bank accounts and credit cards, I'll link a short in the description where I discuss how to reconcile. Number 3, review your accounts receivable and accounts payable. Check your accounts receivable. Make sure all invoices are sent out and follow up on any outstanding payments. At the same time, review your accounts payable to make sure all vendor bills are accounted for and paid. It's a great opportunity to settle any debts before the year ends and reduce your liabilities. Number 4, and probably the most important one, you want to prepare for tax season. Tax season is right around the corner, so now's the time to get organized. So you'll want to gather all your receipts, invoices, and documentation for deductions. If you're working with an accountant, you want to make sure they have everything they need. And if you're doing it on your own, start categorizing your expenses. Trust me, getting a head start now will save you a lot of stress later. I've seen clients wait at the last minute to file the taxes, and I've seen clients incur many penalties and interest. And for what? If you stay organized, there's no reason why you should have to pay penalties and interest. Number 5, update your payroll records. Now, if you have employees or contractors, you'll want to make sure your payroll records are up to date. So you'll want to ensure all tax withholdings and benefits are properly recorded. Also, you want to confirm that your 1099s and W-2s are ready to be sent out in early January. Now, this will keep you compliant and avoid any penalty. Number 6, you'll want to plan for the new year. Finally, take a moment to set financial goals for the upcoming year. You made it. Another year in business. What are your business goals? Do you want to reduce expenses, increase profits, or invest in growth? Having a clear financial goal and a plan in place will help you stay on track. If you've made it this far, thank you for sticking with me. These tips were more general, but if you're a contractor, freelancer, or service-based business, your bookkeeping might look a little different. For example, if you're a general contractor, you might often need to track job costs, materials, and subcontractor payments separately, which can get tricky. Freelancers, you may need to account for different types of income or potential deductions related to home offices or business equipment. Now, if all of this sounds overwhelming because you haven't been keeping track of anything, or you just don't have the time to do it yourself, that's where someone like me comes in. Yes, I offer bookkeeping services just like everyone else. Yes, I do taxes just like everyone else, but my goal here is to help you ethically reduce your tax liabilities so that your business can continue to thrive. Don't hesitate to reach out by clicking the Calendly link in the description box, and I'll see how I can help. We've made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Now, let me know in the comments below what topics you'd like me to cover next. All right, guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.